Technology represents the powerful tools that the learner can use to facilitate his or her own learning process. The pre-service teacher technology competencies identify areas of proficiency for teachers to effectively use technology resources to create the conditions that optimize learning. Teachers need knowledge of the basic technology equipment operations and concepts, technology resources and tools for information literacy, and technology resources and tools for content areas. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. The students in this high school biology class are working on a research project. Before they begin their research, the students have the opportunity to explore the capabilities of the school's new computer microscopes. Later, the students use the microscopes to capture snapshots and video clips of specimens for a presentation. The teacher displays technology competency number 4, equipment operation, by designing a learning activity that teaches the students to use discipline-specific equipment in the classroom.
We're going to use some new microscopes that we just got last week. We're going to try this new technology and see what the different magnifications will show us on various objects. So with this new equipment, let's just try to see what it will actually do today. These microscopes will do other things besides capture snapshots and do video. Have you all looked at the green arrow on the left-hand bottom corner of your screen? And you'll get a different palette, and to the right, there are little buttons that you can test to see what it will do with your captured images. Let's play with some of those buttons. Oh, that's what you were doing.
This is my hand, the close-up of the ink on my hand.
You notice they have 2 light sources, the top light and the bottom light. Which one works best?
Top light.
For the worm, it's the top light.
For the worm, the top light?
Yeah, because the bottom one doesn't have a shadow.
The students work in groups to find a research topic using books and the internet. The teacher talks to the students about the quality of the information available on the World Wide Web. She explains that some sources may be inaccurate. The teacher demonstrates technology competency number 8 by designing a learning activity that involves students in learning to efficiently access World Wide Web information sources in their research, and to evaluate their authority, accuracy, currency, and relevance.
Well, is your textbook still useful, Brandon?
Yeah.
Even though it's old? What if it has wrong stuff in it? You don't know. Where do we go? You do too know.
Check it on the internet.
Check it on the internet. But is everything on the internet true? No, you have to check your sources. Sometimes that information may be bogus because of who posted it. You need to check the site and verify.
The teacher displays technology competency number 1, how to operate a computer system, by teaching the students how to save their files. She also emphasizes that the students should save their information often and have a backup in case their computer crashes.
Our technology director has allowed us to save to the G drive. Some of you already know how to do that. Others of you may need instruction. So I'll come around station to station and talk to you about your selected topic and show you some of the different methods that we can save. What do we need to be aware of when we start this project and start saving our information? What should we keep in mind? What do you know about technology and things that can happen unexpectedly?
Save a lot.
The computer could crash and we could lose everything. So maybe we want to have multiple computers working and save your information where? On the G drive. Where else? I have some floppy disk here. You have some floppy disk.
At the end of the class period, the students present their research findings. They integrate pictures and the video clips taken with the computer microscopes into a PowerPoint presentation. The teacher demonstrates technology competency number 13 by designing an activity that teaches students how to use multimedia presentation software to present information creatively.
Another really strange fact that we found out, birds aren't the only animals with feathers. Moths and antennae are almost genetically identical to the feathers on birds. And they have hair that's almost exactly like feathers all over their body, small pieces of hair-like material and filaments.
That is very unusual because birds are very separated
They're completely different.
in the animal kingdom from insects. Very good.
The first feathers were found in a fossil and discovered in 1996. I have 66. That's a mistake.
We can fix
The
that.
creature was dubbed Sinosauropteryx, I suppose is how you say it. It had feathery fringes, but the feathery fringes were not considered true feathers. They were called proto-feathers, and you can see along the outside it's just kind of stubbly, kind of like a man that hasn't shaved in a while. But it couldn't fly or anything like that. And there's the fossil that it was found in.